Thanks to its gelatinous consistency, white vinegar gel stays in contact with dirt and limescale even in tricky nooks and vertical walls, making it a formidably effective product and a must-have for eco-friendly cleaning. Unfortunately, it's not always easy to find, but don't panic, in 2 minutes you'll know how to make your own with almost everyday products. To do so, you'll need an empty spray bottle, household vinegar, preferably fairly concentrated, 12 degrees for example, agar-agar, and you can also use xanthan gum, but not gelatin sheets, which react less well with acid. For utensils, a saucepan and a glass should be sufficient. Add a large glass of water to your saucepan and heat it up. Don't forget to cover it. This not only saves your time, it also allows you to save 30% energy. When the water is boiling, pour in a half your 4 gram sachet of agar-agar. Then stir well until it has completely dissolved and turn off the heat under your saucepan and set it aside. Pour 3 glasses of concentrated household vinegar into the container of your choice. Then add your agar-agar mixture and mix it well. Leave it cool, then place it in the fridge for a few hours. Once this time has elapsed, your gel should have set. Take out the bottle and prepare your sprayer. If you have a funnel, grab it. If not, you can make your own by simply finding a plastic bag in your recycling bin and cutting off a corner as shown in the video. Then, pour your gel into the sprayer and close. Now, if you'd like to see or watch again some of the tricks in which you can use white vinegar gel, click on one of the 2 videos which appear. Thanks for watching until the end, and see you soon for a new video. Bye!